Hi friends, today we are going to study something about Eagle PCB design, and here I am going to demonstrate something about how to design a custom PCB footprint as well as custom symbols, and by using that I am going to implement a voltage regulator circuit for a 5 voltage. So here I already installed Eagle software. For a voltage regulator, we need 7805 IC and two capacitor or of 0.1 uh, microfarad. Okay, so first I'm going to create a custom library for that 7805 and it's that capacitor. Okay, so here file new and library. Okay, so you can see this window first. By using this you have to create uh, custom library. So here for before implementing that a custom device, first you have to create the symbol, then you have to create a package, then you have to create a device. So first we are going to create a symbol for my uh, device or my component exactly. So here I am going to create a symbol for that. First I am going to create the symbol for 7805 IC. Okay, here, so symbol you click here and simply you can give LM 7805. Okay, yeah, yes. So default grid is 0.1 inch, that is 2.5 for millimeter. So it's default, it is good. So I can design this now. So the symbol I'm going to design here. For that I need a rectangle box. I'm going to draw a rectangle box here like this. Okay, and three pins and this is input. Okay, and you can rotate this by left right clicking. Yeah, so this one and like this. Okay, now I have to give a name for this. For that, right click, properties, and here VI. Okay, and for this VO, that is V out, and one more is GNT. Okay, so you can increase the this rectangular box size so that you can see the information properly. So I'm going to do that. So first I have to move this. See, just to click and drag, that's only. Just to click and drag and move this. Just doing this, and you can increase the height also. So it will give the proper shape. And see, if you want to reduce the length of this input pin, you can do like this. Just right click, properties, and here length. So I am going to use a short, that would be better. So it will become short. So here also right click, and you can do here and this short. Okay, now I'm going to save this. Okay, so it is asking for a location, and I'm storing in my desktop inside of temp desktop, and just creating a folder and eagle tut. I'm just giving name as cust underscore type. So any name you can give. Okay, so for this I have designed a symbol. Now I have to give some name for this. So you just give like this. Name you can place here, and this you can edit as value. Okay, so it's everything is finished for a symbol. Again I'm going to save. So for this I have to create the package now. So here package, again you can give same name or different name also you can give, that's not an issue. LM7805. Okay, it's asking to, so here you have to design the footprint. Okay, so actually if you have the data sheet you can refer in that device 7805, each pin have a difference of 2.54 millimeter, that is equal to 0.1 inch. So you have to place a pin, 3 pins with a difference of 0. Yeah, see here that difference already, that the default is set to 0.5, so you have to use here 0.1, that is equal to zero point 0.1 is nothing, I already explained, I already told that 0.1 is equal to 2.54 millimeter. So it will be like this. Okay, so you can easily this different this, so you can easily place, that's why, so you can easily place it. So that's why I changed that the grid width. Okay, so after that you can change that, because you have now you have to draw a rectangular box. So you can draw like this, see like this. See, if you are feeling this rectangular box width is more, means you can do one thing, you can just reduce this to the previous value 0.5, 0.05. Okay, now see, you can change this by dragging. See, this would be better. Okay, clear? So here now you can change this pin name also. So 1, 2 and 3, it has been changed. Now the same thing, that is values. First is name, then just to press escape and value, and you can place here. That's what. Okay, so this is the symbol for that. Okay, everything is finished now. Now we have to combine this both, so you can create a device. So you just click here and give the same name, LM7805. Okay, yeah. Okay, and here you can on this grid. Okay, so here you have to place that schematic, that a symbol, so it's available here. See, LM7805, you can drag and you can just place here. Okay, press escape and cancel. Okay, similarly this is symbol, so already we designed a footprint that's available here. So here you just click new and choose this, and okay, so it will come. Now you have to connect the pin, so click here, and ground is actually second pin, right? So you have to click here second and connect, and V input is 1, connect, V output is 3, so connect. Okay, has been connected. So and here you have to put an attributes, that's again just a double click, value, you can any value, anything that is only for specification, you can give u1. Okay, so you created your custom library for LM7805. So now you have to create a new schematic, and actually we has by the same way, if you want, you can create the library for capacitor, but already that is available in Eagle, so no need to create that. Okay, so here I'm going to already created the library, so I'm going to create a new project here. Okay, yeah, it's already saved. I saved that, and tutorial cust lib assembly. Okay, so here I have to, this is a project. This project, normally a project will have a schematic and a board. Okay, so I'm creating a schematic, so it's a schematic. Okay, so grids, I have to on this grid. It's in inches, that's nothing. 2.54 millimeter in terms of millimeter. So here I have to place that our custom library uh, devices or components. Okay, so here before that you have to use that library, so you go to library use, and where I have saved that is Eagle tutorial inside of this. So I have to choose this, just to copy this location and paste here and open and use this, so it will automatically come there. So you can click here now. So it will take a lot of time, because sometime uh, because it has to be loaded a lot of libraries, that's why. So that library you can see here, that we had recently loaded, that is custom something like, yeah, see this cust lib. So one component is available. Okay, so you can drop this by clicking OK, so it will come here. Okay, now you need two capacitors, ceramic capacitors, and that also you can choose from here. uh, capac capacitor is available here, cap. Yeah, this capacitor is better, you can choose this. So here one capacitor, and here another one capacitor, and you can right click just right click properties, and you can give the value 0.1 U, that's microfarad, and here also 0.1 U. Okay, now you can connect this is the wires for connecting two components, so you can drag and you can connect like this, just to press escape. Similarly like this you can connect. Okay, and ground also available in the library, you can use like by searching you can get G and T. So this ground is better, you can use this. So commonly you can place here, and wires again you have to connect like this. So here it is forming a junction, so you have to use this dot here, so everything is finished. Okay, so now you can drag this and you can adjust like this. So this is the deleting option. You can move for a good view, you can do like this. Okay, a small schematic for this voltage regulator, and you can do one thing. So this is a group selection. You can select this and you can make this into the center. So just right click, move group, and this you have to something like make like this, means you can get a clear view. So that's why. Now we are going to create the PCB for this. So before creating the PCB, we have to give some two input, that is from a socket or header or anything like. So you can simply you can use some header that's available here, connector. So header to already available, or connector. So you can say if connector is not available, you can create a new schematic for that again. So again, file, open, library. This library you are opening. Again, you are creating a new symbol for that. Header to, yes. Just you are drawing a rectangle box. And 2 pins required. Okay. And 2. So now I designed custom symbol for header too, so I can use that here. So you can go here again, libraries, custom library, CU, yeah, see, header, just rotating that, and here also rotating. Okay, and you can connect now. And one thing actually I missed, so that's why, see here, attribute you have to give here, name, sorry, value h2 header 2, that's why. Okay, then save. So that updated information you can see here after updating your library. So you go to library and update, you choose this, so here that updated information you can see. Okay, and I have to connect this again, so this, so again we have to use the junctions here, this one, this this, yeah, has been finished. Okay, now you can check if yeah, I have to say before this, and I can give regulator 7805, 7805, it's the name for this. I saved, and I can check that is any error is there or not, like by executing this ERC. So it's showing no errors or warning. Okay, here I have to create a board for this, so you can click here and it will ask to create a schematic, create a board from schematic. Okay, so all the components are available here. Now you can reduce your before that you have to grid on your grid, that's very important. So you can reduce your board size by doing this, because the small design, small board area is required. Okay, and this is a group selection. Again you can select and right click or move group, and you can place inside of this. These are the two headers, just rotate this by your wish. Place here capacitors, and you can place this like this. You can connect by choosing this. You can right click to change this type, that is this called as melting. So zooming, yeah, anyway this is a for just a rough application, so you can do it anyway. So to delete any roots, you have to choose this and delete. It's very important. So if you are routing like this, it will make some issue. So you have to do like this only. So you have to come by this way. So everything is routed now. So now your application is ready. 7805 voltage regulators, PCB schematic with custom library. Here we have designed two custom parts. One is 7805 IC, that is this one, and another one is header. So thank you for watching.